In this video, I'll show you guys how to promote your Temu affiliate links and earn money on Temu. This is literally the best way to make money in 2025 as a side job. So first thing you want to do is make sure you have Temu app open. Once it's open, you can see all these products. It should look something like this. And once you're here, go to the search bar and just type in affiliate program. Alright, once you're here, you can see I currently have $2, and minimum is like $20 withdrawal. So if you invite one person to the app, you basically make like $29. And this is literally the best side job and side hustle. So on the bottom, you can see get $8 now. Just click that and click copy link. Once it's copied, just send it to your friends and family, or like anyone that you know that doesn't have Temu, and make them join Temu. It's not a scam, by the way. And you can literally make easy money through affiliate marketing on Temu. And you can see that the ranking race, there's like millions of people, maybe not millions, but like thousands of people making like $3,000. And you can basically do that too if you just lock in.